If you love kinky straight wigs, you definitely need this one in your life. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? This kinky straight glueless wear and go wig is so easy to install, but it has such a beautiful fullness and it's very low maintenance for a kinky straight wig. If you do not already have this wig from BGMGirl hair, I think you're gonna love it if you are a kinky straight girl. I want to thank BGMGirl hair for sponsoring today's wig install for you guys. I usually do not wear baby hairs with kinky straight wigs, but I decided to do baby hairs with this wig and it looks so good. It looked good without baby hairs. It definitely looks good with baby hairs as well. You could definitely wear this half up, half down. There is a bunch of parting space on this lace. The lace literally goes from here all the way to here. It literally only doesn't cover like this much space on each side, and you could really pull out your baby hairs as well. So if you don't want the hassle of a frontal, but you're looking for a nice kinky straight wig, this is gonna be your wig right here. You're gonna love this. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to find out all the details on this wig, as well as how I installed and styled this wig today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this MCAP wig from BGMGirl hair. So the wig did come with this satin bag as well, and it arrived with some freebies. It came with 2 deluxe wig caps. I'm actually running low on these, so this is perfect. It also came with this edge brush, a pair of false lashes, an elastic melting band. Now for the main attraction, the wig. This is a kinky straight texture, y'all. Get into this hair, like the fullness and everything. So flawless, and it feels so soft, y'all. So here is the closure. It is a 9 by 6 inch HD lace closure. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, and the knots on this wig have been lightly bleached, as you can see. So it looks very natural. The lace on this wig has already been pre-cut as well. So it is ready to wear. And here is the inside of the wig cap. It has 2 removable wig combs on the sides. It has 1 removable wig comb in the back. It has this adjustable elastic band strap, and it also has dips right here for the ear tabs on both sides, y'all. If you've been following my channel, you already know what an MCAP wig looks like, but if you're new to my channel, I just like to show you every time, just in case you've never seen a wig from this particular hair company and you're interested in purchasing it, you can see exactly what it looks like and what you're gonna get. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation underneath the lace, and then I'll be right back so we can install this wig. So I went ahead and applied my foundation underneath the lace, y'all. Let's go ahead and install this wig. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is just remove this little widow peak area that's in the front, because my hairline is not like that. If your hairline is, just keep it like that. So as you can see, you can definitely rock this wig completely glueless, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out a couple of hairs in the front. I usually don't do baby hairs on kinky straight wigs, but let's try something different today. Now let's cut these baby hairs. I'm gonna cut them pretty short. And then I'm gonna take this Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. I usually use mousse or gel, but because this is kinky straight hair, I want the edges to be like a little bit more laid. And I'm gonna do the same thing till I reach the end of the lace. So I am gonna rock this wig in a middle parting today. I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten this parting out a little bit. Next, I'm taking this wax stick around the entire parting area. And then I'm gonna take my spritz hairspray and put it on those same areas. Now y'all know what time it is. It's time to get the hot comb out and get to work. And I'm gonna do the same right at the front of the hairline here. Next, let's take a little bit of concealer down that parting area just to make it a little bit more defined. The texture of this wig is so pretty, like the natural texture. Do y'all see this? It is so beautiful and full. I don't want to take too much texture out of this hair, but I'm going to take my straightener to it just a little bit. And this is the Chi Original Flat Iron, y'all. There's a lot of texture in the back by the nape area. It looks kind of like crimpy, so I'm going to take my straightener there as well. You can still see a lot of texture in the hair, but it just looks a little bit more flattened and put together. I'm going to do the same on this side too. If y'all like big hair and kinky straight wigs, you're going to love this baby, because this one is more on the coarse side. So it has a lot of texture to it, but it's still very, very soft and easy to work with. Now we've got to get some of that texture out of the back of the wig. And literally the comb just glides through this hair. So fluffy, so full. Beautiful. This wig install turned out super cute. Let me know what y'all think about this wig in the comment section down below. If you wear kinky straight wigs on the regular, I think you're really gonna love this one because it is so easy to install, but you still get a bunch of parting space and you can still rock this half up, half down. You can part it in the middle, part it on the sides. You could definitely get a nice silk press with this wig if that is what you want, but it's very full and it has a lot of texture to it. And it's a little coarse, but the hair is still soft. So I think that BGMGirl hair did a really great job with this particular unit right here. I really like it. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you haven't already checked out my latest video, baby, what are you doing? Why are you not caught up? Go ahead and keep the party going right here.